Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Invisible Locs Twists, a clean, versatile, and low-maintenance style that's perfect for testing out locks or just switching things up. Whether you're going for a fresh new look or a protective style, this tutorial covers everything. Let's get into it. For this tutorial, we'll be using rat tail comb for precise parting and sectioning, hair clips to keep sections neat and organized, braiding gel to help define and hold the twist, elastic bands to secure the ends, and hair mousse to add shine and reduce frizz. Before you start twisting, it's important to begin with a clean base. Make sure your client's hair is properly washed and conditioned to remove any dirt, product buildup, or excess oil. If necessary, blow dry the hair to stretch it out a bit and make the twisting process smoother. Now let's move on to parting. We'll start with an horizontal part section from above the ears. This would serve as the base for the twists. Once you have that initial horizontal section, split it into two smaller sections for the first twists you'll be working on. Remember, the number of the twists in this section will vary depending on the preferred size of the twists and density of the client's hair. Now that the hair is fully sectioned, let's begin the twists. Take a small portion of hair from one of your sections and split it into two equal halves. Once you've split the section, apply a little bit of braiding gel to the base of each half. This helps keep the twist sleek and ensures a better hold. Generally, some people twist their two-strand twist to the left, while others twist to the right. In this tutorial, I'll be twisting to the left. For Invisible Locs twists, you'll need to create two separate strands. If you're twisting to the left, you'll first need to twist the base of the hair to the right. This can be done using either your fingers or a rat tail comb. For this part of the video, I'll be using a rat tail comb to secure the base, but I'll also show how to do it with your fingers later in the video. Once you've done this for both halves, you can then start twisting them together to the left like a normal two-strand twist. Keep twisting until you reach the end of each strand, ensuring that the tension is even so the twist stays in place. Once you've twisted all the way down, secure the end of each twist with a small elastic band to keep it from unraveling. This step is key to maintaining the style for longer wear. Let's go over this process again to make sure you've got everything covered. To start, I'll secure the base by twirling both strands to the right, keeping them tight but comfortable. As I twirl, I'll add gel to smooth the strands and ensure a firm hold. This step creates a strong foundation for a neat, long-lasting twist. Repeat the same process for the other half. Once the base is secure, I'll take both strands and twist them to the left, keeping even tension for a tight, uniform look. This helps the twists hold their shape. At the end of the twists, secure with a small elastic band to keep it from unraveling. This step is key to maintaining the style for longer wear. If you prefer twisting to the right, the process is the opposite. You'll need to first twist the base of the hair to the left before twisting the strands to the right. Again, you can use your fingers or a rat tail comb to secure the base. After that, take the two strands and twist them to the right, making sure to keep an even tension to maintain a neat and uniform look. Aside from looking fresh, Locs twists are one of the lowest maintenance protective styles out there. They require minimal daily upkeep, just a bit of moisture to keep the scalp hydrated. Unlike tight braids, they're gentler on the scalp and help prevent breakage. Plus, they make growing out natural hair easier by reducing tangles and knots. With proper care, this style can last for weeks while keeping your hair healthy and strong. Thank you for watching till this point. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for rocking with me. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. Here's a little pop quiz for you to see if you've been paying attention. What's one key step to achieving clean and long-lasting invisible locks twists? Skipping the parting process, applying gel at the base of each section, or twisting as fast as possible? If you guessed applying gel at the base of each section, you got it right. This step is key for keeping the twists neat and long-lasting. Locs twists are a great way to try out the look of locks without actually locking your hair. They give that Locs-like vibe so you can see if you like the style before making a big decision. Whether you're just curious or want a cool, low-maintenance style, Locs twists are a fun and easy option. Now, let's go over how to do the twists using just your fingers. Instead of using a comb, hold both strands firmly and roll them between your fingers in the opposite direction of your final twist, to the right. Apply a bit of gel as you roll to smooth the strands and lock in the hold. Keep twisting until the base feels secure and firm enough to prevent unraveling. Once the base is set, I'll take both strands and begin twisting them to the left, keeping even tension throughout. If you want your Locs twists to last longer, always wrap them in a satin or silk durag before bed. This helps prevent frizz, keeps lint out, and locks in moisture. A little scalp hydration with light oil or a leave-in spray will also keep your twists looking fresh and healthy. And there you have it. Clean, fresh, and well-defined Locs twists. This style is perfect for a low-maintenance yet stylish look that lasts. Taking your time with parting and twisting makes all the difference for that neat, professional finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next one.